Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to go from a light like this to this. Let's get started. You are going to need one of these cheap plastic ones. They're 2 for $1 at many gas stations, and I don't know of any other lighter that you can crack other than these. And to crack it is you take this metal piece off, and you should be able to bend it just with your fingers. It should come right off. It's aluminum or tin or something. And you have a weak flame right now. So there's a knob right here, and what you do is you lift it. You lift it and bring it to the left, and you're opening the gas flow. So you lift, bring it to the left, set it down, and pull. Lift, bring it to the left, set it down, and pull. Lift, bring it to the left, set it down, and pull. You don't want to do it too much because you will begin to run into problems such as too much gas coming out. You will definitely lose and use gas more than if you had it regular. So thanks for watching, guys. I really hope this helped you out. Have fun, but stay safe.